I'm gonna just let you talk. So what'd you do?
Peel some lemon, or you can put lemon zest, but I put just like that. Just peel it very thin layer. And we get anise étoilée, ce qu'on appelle anise étoilée.
That's anise star.
Put about 3 and 4.
4 of them.
And then I'm gonna put the sugar. I'm gonna put brown sugar. Just
Brown sugar or white sugar you want to put?
I'm gonna put white sugar.
White sugar.
Because I'm going to put white sugar. 2 tablespoons. Your teaspoon or tablespoon?
Table.
Tablespoon. For now, just to
Start it off as the base.
start it off. A little salt.
Which one? This one?
No,
or the smaller one?
Just that one. I do. Okay.
Oh.
Buy me a cookie.
Let me see. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at Saint-Marc, Haiti, Saint-Marc sur Akasan. You got it?
When you make that other stuff, the stuff with the cornstarch, what is that called? The cornstarch one.
Hold on.
Huh?
I'll go.
I remember you made that one time. It's just cornstarch and water. I mean, and sugar and water.
It's good for people who have diarrhea. Things like that. So I'm going to stir this in some water.
To thicken it?
So sometimes when you put it in the
Or you want
water,
to make it paste so it doesn't get lumpy?
so it doesn't get lumpy. And you could do it with the milk too. Let me do it with this.
You want to do it with the milk? Smell it. Let me see.
Oh, it's 14.
I know, but sometimes, because if it just sits there, it's fine.
I put 1 cup of the, got 1 cup of the flour.
I guess so. I didn't look. Well, now that it's mixed in with the milk, it might be more.
I can
Oh, figure it out.
guesstimate. I'll make sure it does it. And from this, hold on. So now, spices are good and before I do that, so you got to quickly do it and stir it at the same time so it doesn't get lumpy. You see? It's thickening. Open up the water. You can get lumpy now again. Get lumpy. Can you open this one? The can of carnation milk. Now can give me all the spices. Not all spice.
The ginger. I got the ginger. You want nutmeg?
Nutmeg.
That's the ginger. Isn't that what allspice is made? No, allspice has something else in it.
There's something else.
And that's the vanilla extract. Is that it?
Mix with butter. And sugar again. Ça paraît mais avec mon café pour ton crampon pas déplacé.
Because I'm trying to move all the other stuff, Mom.
Yes! In a minute, Mama, I'm for a salad. Got it. I'm finished. Regardez si on va le canation.
I know we got condensed milk.
Il me fait une bouteille à café. Avec
Was that like a
gâteau.
2 tablespoons of
Of
butter? Butter.
No, 1 tablespoon.
Oh, I was just asking.
Very good.
It still needs more besides that? You think?
You can leave it like that. Take it from the bouille. It's better. Okay? Right.
I thought just 2 tablespoons. Well, we'll just put a little bit.
See how bad my memory is?
That's what happens when you get a year older.
Short-term memory. Very slow.
I'm
Very slow. Very slow.
just saying.
Tu m'as mis là-dessus, aujourd'hui. J'aime déborder.
You want to? My mom trusts me. She wants me to stir it. This is my job when it comes to the Akasan. The clumpy stuff is the stuff that the heat from the bottom, the corn from the bottom.
Nice.
Fabian's thing.
All the flowers.
Looks good. You just bunch them all in one area, sort of kind of like that, arrange them that way.
I put them all in one. 2 of them, the orange and the yellow together, and then I told her just sit them in there until tomorrow when you after the picture and stuff you want to clean it. I mean, because she didn't have any dirt. She was doing the old dirt that was there. I said no.
They gonna die.
I said no, then you're gonna die. And that big yellow that you only chose, she's in love with that.
And it was $2. No, it's not.
Put the pencil away in it. If it was thick, tomorrow we buy another. Tomorrow we buy another thing of
Some more carnation milk.
Carnation milk.
What? Careful.
Because of this thing episode, that's it.
Nutmeg?
Yeah.
You're not going to love that. Nutmeg, cinnamon, and bread.
How much did you mix it together, right? But I eat, but I don't.
No, like